Assalamu alaikum students, class 7 subject mathematics, chapter number 8 algebraic expression. Today we are going to do exercise 8.3, question number 1. Okay, in this question we are going to multiply the monomials with a monomial. What are monomials? Monomials are the algebraic expression containing only one term. Okay, now today we are going to multiply the single term with a single term. Okay, here are some rules with a first of all we multiply the numeric values with the numeric values. So while multiplying, first of all we separate the numeric values, then we separate the like variables, and then we multiply them. Okay, here in the part 1, that is 7m and minus 8. In solution, first of all we place a multiply sign in between them because they are multiplying, and then we separate the numeric values from each term, that is 7 and here is minus 8. So we write 7 into minus 8 separately, and then we write the variable separately, that is m is used here, so we write m. Now 7 into 8 is equal to 56, and minus sign multiplying with minus 8 we place it with the answer, so it becomes minus 56, and then we write the variable with it, so it becomes minus 56m. Now part number 2, 2ab and 3a square b square. First of all we place a multiply sign in between them, then we separate the numeric values, that is 2 into 3. Then we write the we separate the like terms, the like variables. So here a and a square, we separate them, a into a square, then we separate b and b square, so it becomes b into b square. Okay, here beta one thing, whenever the bases are same and they are multiplying, we add the powers. So here the bases are same, a and a, here is also the same b, so we add their powers. So first of all here 2 into 3 is equal to 6, then a power 1 plus 2, because here whenever there is nothing in the power, so there is 1, so here the power is 1 and here power is 2, so we add them, a power 1 plus 2 and here b power 1 plus 2. So when we add them, it becomes 6a cube b cube. Now come to part number 3, that is 4xy and 2x square y. First of all we place multiply sign in between them, then we separate the numeric values, that is 4 and 2, and then we separate the like variables, that is x into x square and y into y. Then 4 into 2 gives us 8, and here x into x square, so it becomes x power 1 plus 2, and here y into y, it becomes y power 1 plus 1. Now when we add the powers, it becomes 8x cube y square. This is the answer. Now come to part number 4, that is minus 4ab and minus 2bc. Okay, here when we multiply, we place a multiply sign in between them, then we separate the numeric value, that is minus 4 into minus 2. Then we separate the variables, the like variables, here a is here and a is not here, so we just write a. Then b is present in the first term, also present in the second term, so I write b multiplied by b. And then there is a c in the second term and not present in the first term, so I write c. Now when I multiply the the numbers 4 and 2, it becomes 8, and minus into minus also become positive, so it becomes 8, and then I write a as it is, and then here b into b, so it becomes b 1 plus 1, because there is in the power there is 1 in each b, so then I write c, so it becomes 8ab square c. This is the answer. Now come to part number 5, that is 3lm cube and 3mn. Okay, here I write the terms and write the multiply sign in between them. Then we separate the numeric values, that is 3 into 3. Then I write L, and then m cube into m, and then n. Okay, what we do, we separate the numeric value and then we separate the like variables. Then 3 into 3 gives us 9, and then L is it as it is, and then m3 plus 1 we add the powers and then n. Now when we add the powers of m, it becomes 9 lm4 power 4 n. Now come to part number 6, that is minus 6x square and 3xy z square. So in the solution, what we do, we place a multiply sign in between them, so it becomes minus 6x square y into 3xy z square. So we separate the numeric values first, so it becomes minus 6 and comes minus 6 multiplied by 3, and then we separate the like term, so it becomes x square into x, y into y, and then z square. So minus 6 into 3 gives us minus 18. Then we add the power, so it becomes x2 plus 1, y1 plus 1, and z square. Then when we add the power, it becomes minus 18 x cube y square z square, and this is the answer. Now come to part number 7, that is 2a square b and 5a square b cube. We place multiply sign in between these terms and then we separate the numeric values, that becomes 2 into 5. Then like terms, a square into a square, and then b into b cube. So in the next step we add these their powers. So 2 into 5 is equals to 10, and then a power 3 plus 2, and then b power 1 plus 3. So when we add the powers, it becomes 10a4 b4. Now comes to part number 8. It becomes that is l square mn and l m cube and 6. Here in the solution, first of all we write multiply sign in between these terms, and then we, because there is no numeric value here, so we just separate the like variables. So it becomes l square into l, m into m cube, and then n into n6. So when we add the powers, it becomes l power 2 plus 1, m power 1 plus 3, and n power 1 plus 6. So when we add these powers, so it becomes l cube m4 n7, and this is the answer. Now comes to part number 9, that is minus 4x square y z7 and 8x y4 z cube. So first of all we place multiply sign in between these terms, then we separate the numeric values, that is minus 4 and 8. So it becomes minus 4 multiplied by 8, and then like terms, x square into x, y into y4, and z7 into z cube. So 4 into 8 minus 4 into 8 becomes a minus 32. Then x power 2 plus 1, then y power 1 plus 4, and then z power 7 plus 3. So when we add these powers, the answer becomes minus 32 x cube y5 z10.